After lesson 1, you opened Claude, you typed a prompt. Good, that was 10% of what Claude actually is. Here's the other 90. Claude is not one tool, it's 6. Most people only ever use one of them, the basic chat interface. Here's the full picture. Tool 1, Cowork. This is Claude's desktop app. It doesn't just chat, it reads the actual files on your computer, builds documents, creates spreadsheets, and asks you questions when it needs more information instead of guessing wrong. This is the tool that makes the biggest difference. Tool 2, the right model. Open any Claude chat and look at the model selector. Switch to Opus 4.6, then turn on extended thinking. That forces Claude to reason before it responds. The difference is significant. One thing to know before you commit to Opus. Claude runs on tokens, that's how it measures everything it reads and generates. Haiku uses the fewest. Sonnet sits in the middle. Opus 4.6 with extended thinking uses the most by a large margin. It's the most capable setup, but it burns through your monthly limit fast. The strategy: use Sonnet for everyday work. Save Opus for the tasks that actually matter. Tool 3, Projects. Projects is a permanent context folder. Upload your files once, your brand guidelines, writing samples, reference docs, and Claude reads them in every single conversation inside that project. No repeating yourself, ever. Tool 4, Artifacts. When you ask Claude to build something, a calculator, a tracker, a chart, Artifacts renders it live inside the chat. Interactive, editable, not just text on a screen. Tool 5, Plugins. Anthropic built specialist packs for sales, marketing, legal, data, and more. Install one, and Claude gets specific workflows and / commands for that exact function. You don't need to be technical. You just click Install. Here's the mindset shift from ChatGPT. ChatGPT trained you to write better prompts, longer, cleverer, more specific. You probably have a folder of saved prompts you haven't opened in weeks. Forget that. Claude runs on text files. Take everything Claude needs to know, your brand, your style, your examples, put it in a text file, drop it in a folder, point Claude to it. You stop prompting. Claude starts knowing. Your first 5 minutes. 1. Download Cowork at claude.com/download. 2. Switch the model to Opus 4.6 and turn on extended thinking. 3. Create a simple text file about yourself, what you do, how you communicate, one example of your best work. 4. Point Claude to the folder that file lives in. That's the whole setup. 2 more things to know before you finish. First, Claude Design. Claude can now generate images, visuals, and graphics directly inside Claude. It's built in. Use it. Second, real-time search. Claude has web search. But for live news and trending topics, Grok has the edge. It's purpose-built for real-time. Right tool, right job.